Hi guys, I had to stop yesterday's video, like kind of end it a little bit, but I'm adding this on. Hopefully I am in frame with you guys. I'm sitting on my couch again, look like a hot mess. If you're wondering where this is from, it was from, the first part of the haul. I like the top. This is a 2X, and it's a little small on me, and I wear normally like anywhere between an extra large to a 2X, and it's a little like short on me a little bit. It's breathable. The pants though, they were stretchy, and they ripped like on my inner thigh. I can't believe that. I'm so annoyed. I need to get a little sewing kit to fix that issue. Okay. Well, I went to Five Below. I might add on some more hauls. Tomorrow we are doing an Easter get-together on Sunday, so I had to get the rest of our two kids their gifts. But I got two of these. They were $5. Five Below does have the 5 and beyond, and it goes up to like $10, maybe $15, but I think it's only $10. I didn't see these online, but as soon as I seen them, I told my fiance that we definitely need to get these for our nightstands. And they were $5 each. I got two of them. They're room-to-room tray tables. This is what the thing looks like. It's like the dimensions. And what's nice about these is it does have a tray. Like, I got the room-to-room food storage set for only $5. Then I got this for our bathroom. I'm not really doing a transformation in there, but I can do a tour maybe if you guys would want, or organization video. Room-to-room is their, I think room-to-room is like their home like decor stuff. This is $5. Middle bracket wall shelf. This is what it looks like. Right here. I think it's gonna look pretty nice in our bathroom. It just adds some storage above like our toilet area. Includes wand. And a gold one. Really cute. I'm digging. Purple flowers, very pretty. And I got her the bunny one. Cute. Like this, which I like. It gives you the date and just a blank page. Okay. So the last couple things. Like this pattern almost. They're a little dirty because pink color. I haven't had pink leggings really before, so